Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Archive Telegram. Now let's get started. First, open your Telegram apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna see Archive Chat, you just click on this one, Archive Chat, and in here you can see the chat that you archive. Okay, click on it and finish. So that's how to find Archive Chat on Telegram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.